Org Business Consultants are back with another financial model, which is Microgrid Integrated Energy financial model. This model is designed for the distribution purposes. Energy input is taken from the renewable sources and the grid, which is further sold to the consumers. So, starting with the table of content, this sheet includes the input sheet for the assumptions, revenue analysis sheet, financial statements, and the dashboard for the visual representation of your financial performance. Moving on to the input sheet, it includes the assumptions for the capital structure, the cost assumptions, revenue assumptions, and the transmission efficiency in three cases: optimistic, base, and pessimistic scenarios. This sheet also includes the payroll assumptions, capital expenditure, OPEX, and receivable payable days assumptions. Moving on to the revenue analysis sheet, this sheet includes the microgrid capacity and the transmission efficiency. As you can see, if the transmission efficiency is changed from optimistic to base scenario, transmission also changes. In revenue analysis sheet includes the revenue and the cost of services from the revenue streams. Moving on to the depreciation and loan amortization schedule. Depreciation shows the reduction in the value of your assets for the next 5 years, and the loan amortization schedule shows monthly principal and interest payments. Next, we have the startup summary. The startup summary is the estimation of how much investment is required in the first year of your business, and it also consists the graphical representation of total cost and the utilization of funds. Moving on to the statement of profit and loss, it shows the monthly as well as yearly operating expenses, EBITDA, EBIT, and the net income before and after taxes. Moving on to the cash flow statement. Cash flow statement shows the net cash from operating activities, investing activities, and financing activities. The statement of financial position shows the total assets, total equity, and liabilities. Next, we have the break-even analysis, the point at which the cost and income of a business are equal. The model shows the break-even with respect to the sales amount as well as the number of energy units sold. Moving on to the project evaluation, it shows the WACC calculation as well as the company valuation at year zero. It also includes the burn rate analysis and minimum investment required. Next, we have the sensitivity analysis, which is the comparison of the valuation of company in the actual, optimistic, and worst case scenarios. The financial ratios includes the profitability, liquidity, solvency, and efficiency ratios with their graphical illustration. In the last, we have dashboard which shows the most relevant financial graphical representation of the model and depicts the key financial metrics for the better understanding of performance measures. Thanks for watching.